What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable Meta AI in WhatsApp. Meta AI is a recent addition to several Meta apps, including WhatsApp, and while it can be helpful, you might prefer not to use it. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Typically, any new AI features would be managed through the Settings menu. To verify this, go to Settings by tapping on the three dots at the top right corner of the app. In the Settings menu, select Chats. If there were an option to disable Meta AI, it would likely be found here. However, WhatsApp currently does not provide a specific setting to turn off Meta AI. Instead, you can choose to simply not interact with this AI feature. When you see the prompts or suggestions from Meta AI, ignore them and continue using the app as you normally would. By avoiding an interaction with Meta AI, you effectively minimize its presence in your WhatsApp experience. Hopefully, in the future, Meta will introduce an option to disable this feature entirely. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.